Alright, hi there. I finally finished this Giannini. It's the one where when it came in, the top was curved up. It was all warped up. The bridge was up this way, and the bridge is warped, and the top was full of holes. Under the bridge there were holes. So I flattened the top. I patched up all the holes, did some reinforcing underneath. With all the added wood inside, it might darken up the sound, but it is all rosewood. It's made in Brazil, so it's assumed this is Brazilian rosewood. Really pretty rosewood on the back. And I had to make a new pick guard. The pick guard was warped. And the tuners were, some of them were changed. They were broken. It tunes really well. It's got a warm, darker sound to it. To me, any guitar that tunes well is worth playing. Nothing irritates me more than a guitar that won't tune, so it's very important. The owner will be very happy. This was a sentimental repair. He wanted it put back together. Bridge is seated very nicely. I was layering pieces of very, very thin, I don't have the measurements, but it's extremely thin 3-ply plywood. It's made to make model airplanes. It's very strong. And so I just kept layering it pieces and leveling it and put more and putting pieces in like a puzzle. There were a lot of chips gone and it was a real mess in there. You can find the pictures on Facebook. So I'm happy. The owner will be very happy.